Okay, guys, this is the fifth day of the year 2026. And of course, if you want to make something meaningful, it is better you start out on a good note. Okay, so, and I will advise you to watch this video to the end because this will help you to sharpen your trading activities so that you will know how to, what to do in order for you to make more within the trading platform. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be revealing my own strategy to you guys, the same strategy that has been working out for me, so that you too can also take advantage of this. Okay, even though the market is yet to be totally stable, but at least we can still make one or two things from here. Okay, now let's see how we can go about it. But before we do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, please drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. So, like I have told you, I love trading the trend. Okay, so if you have been following up with my videos, you will notice that this is what I love doing. If you trade the trend, it helps you trade a space, trade an asset, okay, for a specified period of time. For instance, this gave us an uptrend, and you can imagine you trading right from there till this very moment. Okay, and of course here is another one. We got a sell signal at this point on a downtrend, and you can see it gave us an opportunity to trade it for a very long time. Now this is gainx 1200. What is happening on this chart? What should we go for if we are to trade? As we can see, this actually activated an uptrend at this point and gave us a buy signal, and it has been buying since then. Okay, but where is it headed to right now? Okay, so I'm going to take this down a bit. Okay, I'm going to take it to H1 time frame to see what is happening to it on H1 time frame. As you can see, this is still very much on uptrend, just the way we are seeing it. We have some highlighted sections which we highlighted about 2 or 3 days ago, and of course it is yet to achieve all the TPs. Okay, so this happened to be our entry point, and this happened to be our what's it called, our stop loss. Okay, so it didn't get to the stop loss, it activated the entry point, and of course it achieved so many TPs: TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and almost at 8 and 9 right now. Okay, so this is still very much an uptrend, even though the movements have not been that smooth. There are major pullbacks in between, but it has been more of a profit for each and every one of us. Check it out. This is our entry point, and it is still going. Okay, it is still going. Here is the entry point, and it is still going. You can see this is so beautiful, and this happened to be our last TP, and it's going to achieve it easily. So that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so this is why I said you can make more with this particular strategy if you know your way out of it. Okay, now that is that for gainx 1200. It is still buying, and it is still buying more. If you are still holding your trade, congratulations to you guys, because it's most likely for it to get to last TP today. Okay, so that is it. Now let's move on to gainx 999. This is gainx 999. Actually, this actually started an uptrend at this point, but came to an end right here, and of course came back down, and it started another uptrend. I'm actually waiting for it to break out above this. Once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more, and we may likely find it at the top, which happen to be, which will be somewhere here. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me change this to. Let me change the color of this. Um, I want it to be different from. Okay, now that's okay. This is it. Okay, it should be different from the entry point signal. Okay, so okay, good. Okay, so that is it. So that is what we are expecting. Okay, for now, that is what we are expecting. Now let's check out our Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 should actually be on uptrend right now. Okay, even though it is fighting to break out above this particular resistance zone, So once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more and may likely, I mean, it may um achieve all these TPs that have been highlighted earlier. Okay, so this is very, very important. However, if it should break out the support region, below this support region, it's going to sell more. Okay, let me show you what I mean by that on higher time frame. Okay, so you can see if it should break out below this, we have it to achieve this particular this particular support region. It will try to get to this particular support region, but we are not expecting it to break out from there because this has actually given us double bottom. So we expect it to buy right from there. Okay, so we are expecting more buying opportunity on Paynex 1200. Okay, we are expecting more buying opportunity on Paynex 1200. We just need it to break out above this resistance zone so that it can buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. We have three areas right here to milk. Okay, so if it's able to break out from here, then it will be able to milk this region. So let's wait for that and see what we can achieve with that. Let's check FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had actually been on option right from here, but got to this resistance zone and it has been playing around there for a very long time. Okay, it tried to break out below 8 at this point, but went back up again, and right now it is within this region. So personally, I would just allow it to play within this region and show me the real direction before I can jump into this. Because if we should look at it, it had been on uptrend right from the beginning, and we actually expected to get to this region, but due to market situation, it has been playing around there for long. Okay, so we don't know if it's going to continue with the trend, or probably to change the direction of the trend totally and come down. Okay, if it comes down, then it may likely get to this particular spot and start the uptrend again. Okay, so this is what we have for FX volume 80. Okay, so you guys should take note of this and try as much as possible to understand the chart very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, like I said, all you just need in this year is to understand how the trend trading strategy works. Once you understand how it works, then you will be able to milk the market very well. Okay, so for the first step is to understand how it works, and the second step is for you to practice it very well. Okay, so once you have been able to practice it very well on your demo account and you have been able to master this strategy, then you can now go over to your real account and try it out. Okay, and once you are getting it right, and I'm very sure you're going to get it right if you truly take your time to understand it. Okay, and of course, once you have been able to achieve this, you're going to see how your trading activities will actually improve right from there. So this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.